All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Fusion. It is the titanium model with 34,000 miles, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, sunroof, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's fender. Looks good. Front driver's rim looks very nice. Does seem to have a curbing about 6 inches. And your tire tread is just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty decent. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire tread is under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Sunroof looks right there. Of course, you got your power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This looks good. Does have it is a powered seat. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Boom. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Oh, there it is, turned on and stuff like that. Got your climate controls, bloom. All right, got your AC controls right down below. All right, get your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. No phone connections, please. Touch screen, there's no phones connected. All right, your mileage of 34,917. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Turn on the lights, turn on the fog lights, boom. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper. We do have some sensors here. Looking good. Definitely looks good with a rear spoiler. Got your rear trunk space, very nice. Does have a spare tire here, and I did tuck away your books there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice LC curbing there, and your tire tread. It's under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have, front passenger rim does have some curbing, 10 or more, I'll say. The tire tread. This at 730 seconds. All right, folks. Everything's working. Folks, once again, this is 2017 Ford Fusion. It is the it is the titanium model with 34,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.